Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Embedded Simulink tutorial. In last tutorial we discussed about the how to test basic Simulink model using a signal builder block. In this tutorial we'll going to see what is the Goto and From blocks in MATLAB Simulink. Uh, First I will tell you why to use this Goto and From block. If you see the this model, it looks very complicated because these multiple connections and all these things. If you want to decrease this complexity, then you have to use Goto and from blocks. Okay. uh, in this I have created one more model with the same logic. Instead of these connections I used Goto and from blocks. So I will show you that model. See, the same logic I created here. Instead of that multiple wirings, I use here Goto and these from blocks. Okay. So what is doing this block is fed to the this switch block, also fed to this switch block. So same here, same thing I done here. If you want to check this in, this is go to. So I use here this go to signal using from block. So I fed this to this block, and again I use same signal here. So in this way you can reduce the your complexity of model, so you can anyone can easily understand the logic what you are doing. So this is the main use of Goto and Simulink, Goto and from blocks. Okay. So if you run this model, see the output of this model is 3. Okay. So I will run same model whatever I designed using Goto and from blocks. I will run this model also. uh, See, final output here also my final output is 3, and there also my final output is 3. So instead of multiple connections I used only Goto and from blocks. And in this way I reduce the complexity of model. So first I want to I want to tell you what is Goto block. The Goto block, this what is Goto block. The Goto block passes its input to its corresponding from blocks. It passes its input to corresponding from block. And what is from block, and what is exactly from block? The from block accepts a signal from a corresponding Goto block. Okay, from corresponding Goto block, then passes as a output. Okay. And the data type of the output is the same as that of the input. From you pass a signal one block to another, so data type must be required same in this. Okay. And uh, so main use, it is like actually you can pass the signal without connecting to each other. So you can say wireless connection. Okay. So simply we can say this as a wireless connection. So instead of connecting as a like this, so we are using here go to and from blocks. So this is the wireless connection. So this is a very complicated. You are not able to understand how to how to use this Goto and from block. So I will take one example, so you can easily understand. So I will delete this logic, and we'll create one simple model here. So I want one constant. Okay. Mm, I want one constant, and I want this will be uh, so I will use one gain block also here. Okay, and I will use one GOF. So I will pass here as a 2, apply, okay, and run this. So output is 2. So I want to double output. So I want to multiply 5, apply, okay. In now my output will be the 10. See, output is 10. So same model I will design with Goto and From block. Okay. Say so same constant block I will use here. Okay. So I will take here as a one Goto block. Goto. Just double click on this Goto block, and if you want different tag, then just add here as a in. And if you use as a global, then you can use anywhere in the model. So here you have to select data type. So I'll use this as a global, apply, okay. Okay, then instead of this connecting each other, I am using wireless, so without connecting. So I need one from block, and let's connect this, okay. And just double click on this. Now here it is showing in, okay. So this go to block having a tag in, so I have to select this tag here also in. If it is not available, then just click on this update tags, then automatically it will occur. Just select, apply, and okay. Okay, if I run this, then also I will get output as a 10 here. See, output is 10. So in this way you can reduce the complexity of model. This is the very simple model. If you have the very big design, very complicated design, in that case you can use these go to and from blocks. So you can reduce the complexity of the model. So this equivalent model actually this equivalent model actually passes the constant block signal to the scope block, okay. But from but I want to tell one more thing to you. The from block, this from block can receive its signal from only one go to block, okay. But this go to block can pass its signal to more than one, from more than one block. So we can pass this signal to more than one block, but from block only receives its signal only one go to block, okay. So this is the main difference in this. I will repeat once again. From block can receive its signal from only one go to block, but go to block can pass its signal to more than one from block. So this is the advantage of go to block and from block. I hope you understood this logic, how to use go to and from block. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubt, then write in comment box, so I will try to solve your queries in upcoming videos. So thanks for watching. Thank you all.